You can come back next year.
No.
Ah, it's
No?
a no. Okay, it's a no?
It's a
It's
no.
a, okay.
It's a no.
Thank you, Anne. Maraming salamat.
Nabibigyan na tayo na ako ng consent. Hindi pwede to. Remember my name. Not now, pero sikat din ako. Hindi ako tinanggap na Philippine Idol. Naging American Idol ako.
Kung may special ang skill, meron ding special ang outfit.
Hi, my name is Bench Cruz. Idol ko si Garth Brooks.
Siya po ang katangi-tanging cowboy ng Philippine Idol. Naway hindi siya kawawain ng ating judges. Ano kayang special sa kanya bukod sa kanyang cowboy outfit?
Don't have to be beautiful to turn me on. I just need your body, baby, from dusk till dawn. You don't need experience, girl, to turn me out. You gotta leave it all up to me. I'll tell you what it's all
Ang
about.
sarap mo panoorin kasi nandun yung energy. Pa, I wanna hear your voice.
Happy na.
Mukhang di yata umubra ang cowboy outfit ni Bench.
Wow! I got it! I got it!
Itong si Cherry Chu, bit-bit na yata ang buong angkan niya.
My barangays, my mommy, my daddy, my cousin, Tita Lita, my kuya, and my lolo.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. It's a very popular song, but I'm not gonna say the title because once I sing it, you'll know.
All right.
Okay. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pataas, pataas ng pataas. Spaghetti pababa, pababa ng pababa. Spaghetti pababa ng pataas.
Cherry.
Ow!
I like her.
Okay. Francis?
So I just say yes, also.
Cherry, you made it. I like you. Yes, yes. That's good.
Spaghetti.
That's one happy family. Kita nyo naman, sa Philippine Idol, meron yung walang kasama, meron yung may kasama, meron din yung lahat sinama.
Dito sa Philippine Idol, ang drama ay a family that sings together, stays together.
Kapitbahay mo, kaibigan, tropa, kahit na ano.
It's a family affair ang drama sa Philippine Idol.
Sa larangan ng pagkanta, iisa lang ang reyna. Dekada na ang binilang niya pero ni minsan hindi siya nawala ng kinang dahil siya lang ang nag-iisang reyna ng pagkanta sa Asia.
Noon hanggang ngayon, walang kakupas-kupas ang nag-iisang Asia's Queen of Songs, Miss Belita Corrales. Sumikat sa Melbourne, Australia bilang recording artist at television personality bago pa man nakilala ang mga Australian artists tulad ni Olivia Newton-John, Tina Rina at Kylie Minogue. Nagbalik sa Pilipinas at nagbigay parangal sa bansa. Unang Pilipino na nanalo sa International Music Festival. Unang Pilipinong nagtanghal sa prestigyosong Caesars Palace sa Las Vegas. Higit sa 100 na ang record album si Belita Corrales at patuloy siyang tinatangkilik magpahanggang ngayon.
They have got to know that the first Philippine Idol will be like an ambassador, representing the Philippines. Nowadays, you have to be a little bit more total. I've handled contests for 14 years. I love to discover new talents. I want to be part of something that builds up a person. Gary, I discovered at the Kundirana in LaSalle. I was the one who put Gary first time on television. So I told the school, I said, this boy will really go places, and he did. Ya no estás más a mi lado, corazón, y en el alma solo tengo soledad. Kung talagang you love this profession, you stay. But you work hard at it. Tsaka para sa akin, ang pinakasekreto ng isang tao for a person to stay in this business this long is humility.
At ano naman kaya ang tanging hahanapin ng isang Pilita Corrales sa isang Philippine Idol?
Ang hinahanap ko sa Philippine Idol ay isang singer na magaling magbihis, may itsura, may professionalism, at magiging representative ng Pilipinas sa buong mundo. A million thanks to you, my love. I know it's different, pero para sa akin, parang hindi pang Philippine Idol.
Away, 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 away. Come on, everybody, do that conga, no. Everybody got any longer. Play the rhythm of the music, do that conga, no. Everybody, to that beat. No way, no way, no way, no.
Hindi tong huli. Ha? Hindi tong huli. Ha? Tandaan mo yan. Babalik ako. Magpa-practice lang ako.
Ang mga Pinoy talaga, hindi umuurong sa pagkatalo. Buong buo ang fighting spirit.
Thanks for joining Philippine Idol. Sure. We'll see you again.
Tulad na lang ni Pao.
I read here that there are very sad experiences in your life.
Yes. You had an accident?
Yeah.
Tell us more about it.
2 years ago, nabaril po ako.
Nabaril
Ulit?
ka?
I was shot.
Hold up.
Hold up po. I was fighting for the phone. Natsyempohan ako. Lumaban po ako, then tinamaan po ako behind
The ear?
tenga. Tapos lumusot po siya dito sa ilong ko.
She's her second life now, isn't it, Mr. C?
Exactly. Sige, anong kakatingin mo?
Okay, I'm gonna sing something from Michael Jackson po. When I had you to myself, I didn't want you around. Those pretty faces always made you stand out in the crowd. But someone took you from the bunch when love was all it took. Now it's much too late for me to take a second look. Oh, baby, give me one more chance. Won't you please let me back to your heart?
Nobody ever
Has done.
has done that song as an audition piece. Jackson 5.
I know, but kasi...
No,
Okay. He's actually...
I like it actually.
Thank you.
I'm saying yes, not because of what happened to you. I think you gave me a different song. Yun, tama, hindi bumibirit, effortless. For me, pwede.
O sige, pasok ka na.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Pao, pasok ka na sa kanilang dalawa eh. So it doesn't really matter what I say. You're very musical. That's all I can say. Show them. Pakita mo. Okay, congratulations. We'll see you in the next round.
What's up? Oh my God.
Galing, galing.
Good job, Pao. Sama kami sa blowout, ha? Pero sa next batch, mukhang may mga maiiyak sa takot.
Ng tunay na pagmamahalan ay mararamdaman, lalo na't kung nagsasayawan. Awiting bago ay naghihintay para isayaw mo. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, kasabay ng mga bagong tugtugin ngayon. Sumayaw, sumunod ka sa indak ng panahon, makisama, mag-enjoy ka ngayon.
Alright, Leonard?
Hindi pasado yung boses mo sa akin.
Can I sing another?
This is a singing contest.
Can I sing slow, sir?
No, you cannot sing any other song.
Sir, please, please, sir, please.
No.
Sir, I want an...
It's
One
okay.
kasi
Ako pa
one.
lang naman yun eh. Malay mo sa kanila, masabi nila na gusto nila ang boses mo. Ako pa lang yun. Ako pa lang yun. Don't worry, Leonard.
Ako kasi iniisip ko, Francis, na Yung kantang yun, even if I like it, maganda naman, pero parang hindi ba pa?
Ma'am, galing pa
Parang
po ako
hindi
ng
para sa
Bulacan.
Philippine Idol na miski na may boses siya. Pero dapat kasi pagpasok mo dito, yung kanta mo, where we can hear exactly what your voice can do.
Mamita, please give me a chance.
Well, you know,
Please.
actually,
Up to
it
you.
doesn't depend on me anymore because he says no. She's
I can sing another song.
saying no. It's 2 out of 3. That's majority wins. I think you'll have to try again next time.
Sir Ryan, please.
No, Leonard, it's a no. I'm sorry. You have next year, 2 years, 3
18.
years.
I have so many
It's a no.
sacrifices, sir.
Yes, everybody has sacrifices. Kanina pa kami dito.
Sir, please.
I'm sorry, no.
Hindi pa ako makapaniwala sa ginawa ko kanina.
Bakit? What do you feel was wrong with what you did kanina? Ba't hindi ka nakuha? Alright, Leonard. Well, you made it this far.
I wanna continue, but then, si Sir Ryan po yung ayaw talaga.
May chance ba, Mr. C?
No. No chance.
Nako naman, Mr. Z. Ganyan ka ba talaga ka-stricto pagdating sa kantahan?
Not for me. Not for Philippine Idol. I'm sorry, Luden. It's a no for me. Okay yung energy, but this is not for Philippine Idol. Yung mga nota niya, meron kasi mga maling nota. Tapos yung pronunciation,
Yung
also very
diction,
important. It's not the style, because I like the style. It's the quality of the voice that I'm looking for that has to stand out from the rest. It's not standing out. I'm sorry. Pardon. That was good enough, but it's not good enough for Philippine Idol. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Sa bagay, sino pa ba ang papalag sa nag-iisang maestro ng Philippine music?
I am nice, and I'm also a monster sometimes. But I promise I will try as much as I can to keep the monster inside. Keep the monster inside.
Keep the monster inside.
Siya ang kompositor sa likod ng mga di malilimutang awiting nagpakilig, kumiliti at humuli sa puso't panlasa ng bawat Pinoy. Siya rin ang music genius sa likod ng mga timeless hits na umani ng di mabilang na parangal sa loob at labas ng bansa.
1, 2, 3.
Gusto ko maging isang
Siya rin ang maestro na bumuo at matyagang nag-train sa grupong Smoky Mountain at 14K. Mga grupong nagsilang sa ilang artistang hinahangaan natin magpahanggang ngayon.
Siya yung mentor ko eh. Very strict. Kasi perfectionist siya eh. Especially pagdating sa mga notes, dapat eksakto yung mga nota mo. Maganda yung labas ng boses mo. Madikit ka lang sa pangalan ni Mr. C. Big time ka na.
Happy ako at saka proud ako na dumaan ako kay Tito Ryan. Nakasama ako sa grupo niya na Ryan Quebiabas 14K. Ang maganda kay Tito Ryan, hindi lang yung range ng boses mo yung asikasuhin niya, pati tenga. Pag nagbibisit ng tono si Tito Ryan, talagang stricto siya eh. Susundin mo kasi alam mo na tama at saka alam mo na alam niya yung ginagawa niya.
Stricto, metikuloso, iniidolo, at minsan kinakatakutan. Presenting ang maestro, kompositor, arranger, mentor, producer, at kasalukuyang executive and artistic director ng the San Miguel Foundation for Performing Arts, si Cipriano Cayabyab, o mas kilala bilang si Mr. C.
I'm coming from long years of training. I trained a lot of people, and I went to school, and I've been doing a lot of music for a long, long time. Mataas ang expectation ko. Hindi pwedeng okay lang siya. Kailangan, pagtayo na niya, star na siya. Isang Philippine Idol. The Philippine Idol embodies everything that is excellent in performance. Yung tinatawag nilang X Factor. Ang effect sa tao niyan, yung parang nadodraw ka niya. Ako, laging yung titingnan ko. Iba, original. Depende na lang yun sa kanilang attack dun sa kanta. There's a way.
Actually, isa lang po yung dahilan na laging gustong-gusto ko po. Yung gusto ko lang makita yung dad ko. Yun lang yung reason sa lahat ng ginagawa ko. Sabi nila, ampon lang daw. Kasi iniisip ko, every time na sa lahat ng auditions, na meron ako sariling gagawin. Na parang, kaya nagiging confident na ako kasi alam ko yung gagawin ko na iba sa kanila.